Today I am reviewing the Corsair Vengeance, a 7500 gaming PC. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Starting with the heart of this PC, the AMD Ryzen 7800X 3D processor. This CPU is part of AMD's latest Ryzen 7000 series and features advanced 3D V-cache technology. What that means for you is outstanding single-thread and multi-thread performance, giving you smooth gameplay even in the most CPU-intensive titles. Whether you're running complex simulations or streaming while gaming, this processor can handle it effortlessly. Cooling is critical in high-performance systems, and Corsair knows that. The A7500 uses a liquid cooling system for the Ryzen 7800X 3D, ensuring the CPU stays cool under heavy load. This means you get consistent performance without thermal throttling, and the liquid cooler also helps keep noise levels down, which is great for long gaming sessions or recording content. On the graphics side, the PC boasts the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070 GPU, powered by NVIDIA's Blackwell architecture. This is a next-gen graphics card that brings AI-enhanced features like DLSS 4 for faster frame rates and incredible ray tracing. Whether you're gaming at 1440p or even 4K, this GPU delivers stunning visuals, smooth frame rates, and supports all the latest gaming technologies. If you're into content creation, NVIDIA Studio drivers optimize performance in apps like Adobe Premiere, Blender, and more, speeding up rendering and creative workflows. Memory is another standout feature. With 32GB of Corsair Vengeance RGB DDR5 RAM, this PC offers blazing fast speeds and plenty of capacity for multitasking. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or running heavy editing software, the DDR5 memory ensures everything runs smoothly without any lag or slowdowns. Plus, the stylish RGB lighting adds a great visual flair that can be customized to match your setup. Storage won't hold you back either. The system comes equipped with a 1TB M.2 NVMe SSD, offering lightning-fast boot times and near-instant game loading. This means no more waiting around to get into your favorite games or load big projects. The M.2 SSD form factor also helps keep the build sleek and clean inside. The build itself is housed in a Corsair 3500X ARGB mid-tower case, which features wraparound tempered glass panels to show off the components inside. The case includes side, rear, and roof fans to maintain excellent airflow, keeping your components cool and your PC running reliably even during marathon gaming sessions. The included ARGB lighting adds vibrant colors and can be synced with other Corsair peripherals for a cohesive look. Overall, the Corsair Vengeance, a 7500, is a fantastic choice if you want a powerful, reliable, and aesthetically pleasing gaming PC that can also double as a creative workstation. It balances raw power with smart cooling and stylish design, making it perfect for gamers who want to dominate their favorite titles, streamers who want smooth performance, and creators who need speed and reliability. If you want to save yourself time building a custom PC, but still want top-tier hardware, the Corsair Vengeance A7500 is definitely worth considering. With the Ryzen 7 7800X 3D, RTX 5070, 32GB DDR5 RAM, and fast storage all packed into a sleek liquid-cooled chassis, this system will handle whatever you throw at it, now and well into the future.